This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
Feels like it's kind of been sort of rinse and repeat the last few quarters with, data centers leading the way in non-residential, manufacturing. I was talking to another economist recently. They kind of mentioned manufacturing is still performing solidly, but maybe underperforming some of their expectations. Just what does the rest of this year hold for non-residential? And are there any sort of segments that maybe could surprise either positively or less positively?
Sure. So, yeah, I mean, you hit the nail on the head with data centers, and that's just going to keep being a driver of activity for a long time. The demand for data centers simply cannot be met right now. So we're going to keep seeing that. It's up over 180% over the past 3 years. It's not slowing down anytime soon.
Wow.
I think we'll keep seeing, 50 to 60% year over year increases going forward. Yeah, manufacturing, the rise has been so meteoric that it's actually difficult to even forecast. Over half of the segment right now is computer electronic and electrical projects. That category is up, I think, over 1,000% over the past couple of years. And that's where all the momentum is, and that's where the federal incentives are. We're going to keep seeing strength there. These projects aren't finished. They're going to keep going. You're going to see, some ancillary effects with other electrical industrial facilities being constructed around these. So it may not keep rising, but it's at such an incredibly elevated level that, I think if it stays where it is, that's that's strength, in my opinion. And certainly through the end of the year, we'll see those dynamics hold. Whether or not it, comes down a little bit or goes up a little bit, it's just so massive. Like 1 out of every $5 of non-residential construction right now is on manufacturing facilities. So those dynamics are, going to stay in play.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.